Hey there, I'm Nella, the founder of the Loop Collective. I created this space because I know how overwhelming it can feel to build and grow a community on your own, especially when you're trying to figure out how to use AI tools to save time and stay consistent. Here's a quick look inside the Loop Collective so you can see what's waiting for you. You'll get weekly calls to ask questions, get clarity, and stay on track. Every Monday, we host Coffee Hour, where you can connect, get live support, and feel a part of something bigger. You'll also get monthly workshops to help you master growth, engagement, and monetization strategies. No more guessing or wasting hours piecing it all together. Inside, you'll find swipe files, templates, and resources you can use right away to create content that actually connects and grows your community. Plus, you'll be a part of a supportive space where you can share wins, ask for feedback, and get inspired by people who understand what you're building. If you're ready to use AI to make your community your most powerful asset, come join us inside the Loop Collective. I can't wait to see you there.